The Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL specs have been leaked. DroidLife Google is set to announce its new Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL smartphones on October 4, but the alleged specs for both phones leaked on Thursday by a source reporting to Android Authority. Most of the leaked information in Android Authority's report has already been leaked or rumored, but there are few details we hadn't seen before. For one, the larger Pixel 2 XL will have a curved display that could be similar to the Samsung Galaxy S8 and Note 8 phones. The phone is also said to have narrow bezels with a screen-to-body ratio between 8,000 and 85%, which is also similar to the Galaxy phones. The Pixel 2 XL's display could also feature a wide color gamut for richer colors. The smaller Pixel 2, on the other hand, is said to have a similar design as the original Pixel, which means it won't have a curved display with narrow bezels, nor will it have a wide color gamut. Apart from those new details, Android Authority's report seemingly confirms many of the existing rumors, including a quad QHD 1440p display on the Pixel 2 XL, a full FHD 1080p display on the Pixel 2. Both will run on the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor. Both will have water resistance up to IP67. Similar to the iPhone 8 number 3.5mm headphone jacks, dual speakers on both phones. Both will feature an active edge that lets you squeeze the devices to pull up certain apps. Both phones will come with 64GB and 128GB storage options. The design for both phones, at least their backs, as well as their color options and price tags, was also leaked not too long ago. As likely as it is that these leaks and rumors are accurate, nothing is truly certain until Google itself announces its new Pixel 2 smartphones during its October 4 event. Get the latest Google stock price here. See also everything we know about Google's upcoming smartphone, the Pixel 2.